Hello, this is Mr. Stansbury. I'm going to take you through the notes on types of data. At the end of this, you should be able to say, I can describe variables as categorical, quantitative discrete, or quantitative continuous. Okay, so a categorical variable describes a particular quality or characteristic. For example, color of cat, type of vehicle, cities in Arkansas. Categorical variable usually doesn't have anything to do with numbers. Okay, that's kind of an easier way to remember that. A quantitative variable has a numerical value. Okay, so within that, there's a discrete quantitative variable. That's an exact number value. It's usually the result of some kind of counting, like 1, 2, 3. There's 782 grains of sand in my shoe or something like that. So example, number of birds on a wire, grains of sand on the beach, so forth and so on. It's something that's countable. Discrete quantitative variable is countable. Okay, there's also a continuous quantitative variable. This can take any number within a range. It's usually a result of measuring something. So for example, the height of a tree, because you could say it's 17 feet tall. It's actually 17 feet 3 inches. Maybe it's 17 feet 3.4 inches. So you could go to any degree of accuracy. So that's what makes it quantitative, continuous quantitative variable. Okay. Also, the weight of an egg would work, the amount of water in a cup. You could measure it to any specific degree of accuracy. Okay, so let's use that info to try to figure out what some examples would be examples of. Okay, example 3. Classify each variable as categorical, discrete, or continuous. The weight of a fluffy unicorn. Big key on this is weight. That is something that we are measuring. So it's either going to be discrete or continuous. Weights, heights, lengths, stuff that you measure always depends on what degree of accuracy that you go to. So this would be continuous. Okay? And it's actually officially quantitative. Quantitative continuous. The colors of markers in a box, so that is a different category. So different colors, green, red, blue, doesn't have anything to do with numbers, so that would be categorical. And then last one, how many times Pete blinks in an hour? Those are things that you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. He blinked 7 times. You can't blink 7.2 times. You can. It's something that you count and that there's a definite number on that. So that would be discrete. So it's actually quantitative, discrete. Sorry, quantitative, discrete. Okay. All right, that's all there is for types of data. If you have any questions about this at all, please feel free to ask in class. Thanks.